If you're a beginner that wants to learn how to speak Igbo, then this video is for you. If you're a beginner that wants to start making sentences with Igbo language, then this video is for you. You can also go to my other videos. I'm going to leave the link up here for you to learn the Igbo language very fast and easy. I'm going to put the link up here. So you click on it and watch the other videos that I made where you can get easy Igbo speaking. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV. And if today is your first time viewing me in this very channel, please do not forget to subscribe. You see that subscribe button there? Yes, you see it? Please just click on it and subscribe and hit on that notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be the first to see it. In this channel, I teach Igbo language. We communicate with Igbo. We make sentences with the Igbo language. In this very video, we are going to be learning how to make sentences with Igbo, how to communicate, Igbo communication. We are going to communicate in Igbo in this video. So guys, keep watching. So guys, let's start. I am feeling sleeping. I am feeling sleeping. Ora na tum. Ora na tum. I am feeling sleeping. Ora na tum. I am hungry. Ago na gum. Ago na gum. I am hungry. Ago na gum. I am hungry. Ago na gum. My body is paining me. My body is paining me. My body, my whole body is paining me. Ahụ na-egbu m mgbu. Ahụ na-egbu m mgbu. Ahụ na-egbu m mgbu. My body is paining me. Ahụ na-egbu m mgbu. Ahụ na-egbu m mgbu. My body is paining me. Do you understand that? Oh yeah. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. I'm beautiful. Amara m mma. I am beautiful. Amara m mma. I am beautiful. Amara m mma. I am beautiful. Amara m mma. My leg is paining me. My leg is paining me. Ụkwụ na-egbu m mgbu. My leg is paining me. Ụkwụ na-egbu m mgbu. My leg is paining me. Ụkwụ na-egbu m mgbu. I am sick. I am sick. I am sick. Ahụ adịghị m. I am sick. Ahụ adịghị m. I am sick. Ahụ adịghị m. Have you seen my book? Have you seen my book? Have you seen my book? Ị hụrụ akwụkwọ m? Have you seen my book? Ị hụrụ akwụkwọ m? Ị hụrụ akwụkwọ m? Have you seen my book? Ị hụrụ akwụkwọ m? Bag, you know, your handbag or your school bag. Anyone. Bag is akpa. Akpa, your handbag. Bag is akpa. Bag is akpa. Bag, akpa. Shoes, your shoe. Shoe is called akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Shoe is called akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Shoe is called akpụkpọ ụkwụ. You understand? shoe is called akpụkpọ. Pronounce it with me. Akpụkpọ. Very good. Akpụkpọ. Good. Hair. Hair, your hair. Hair is called ntutu isi. Hair. Hair is called ntutu isi. Hair. Your hair. Hair is called ntutu isi. Hair is called ntutu. Ntutu isi. Hair is called ntutu isi. Then head on its own. Head is called isi. Do you understand it? Head on its own, not the hair. Head is called isi, and then hair is called ntutu isi. You can go to my other videos where I teach parts of the body. I'll put the link up here to learn parts of the body. My head, my nose, my eye, my mouth. I'll put the link up here for you guys to click it and watch it. Ground. Ground is called ala. Ground is called ala. Ground is called ala. Up is called elu. Up is called elu. Up is called elu. Up is called elu. I am dancing. I am dancing is na-agba egwu. Na-agba egwu. Na-agba egwu. That is, I am dancing. Na-agba egwu. I want to dance. You have not even started dancing, but you want to dance. I want to dance is achọrọ m ịgba egwu. Achọrọ m ịgba egwu. I am dancing is you're already dancing. I am dancing. M na-agba egwu. Do you understand? M na-agba egwu. I want to dance. Achọrọ m ịgba egwu. I want to dance. Achọrọ m ịgba egwu. I want to dance. Achọrọ m ịgba egwu. I want to go out. I want to go outside. I want to go out. I want to go out. Achọrọ m ịpụ apụ. Or m na-apụ apụ. I want to go out. M na-apụ apụ. Achọrọ m ịpụ apụ. I am back. Alọtala m. I am back. Alọtala m. Or alọtago m. Alọtala m or alọtago m. I am not happy today. I am not happy today. I am not happy today. Obi adịghị m mma taa. Obi adịghị m mma taa. Obi adịghị m mma taa. I am not happy today. Obi adịghị m mma taa. I am very happy today. I am very happy today. Obi dị m mma nke ukwuu taa. 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 I am not scared of you. I am not scared of you. I am not scared of you or I am not scared. I am not scared of you or I am not scared. Ụjọ a na-atụ m n'ebe ị nọ. Ụjọ a na-atụ m n'ebe ị nọ is I am not scared of you. Ụjọ a na-atụ m n'ebe ị nọ is I am not scared of you. Then ụjọ a na-atụ m is I am not scared. Ụjọ a na-atụ m is I am not scared. That is ụjọ a na-atụ m. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Mechie ọnụ gị. Mechie ọnụ gị. Keep quiet. Do you want to cry? Ị chọrọ ibe akwa? Ị chọrọ ibe akwa? Do you want to cry? I will beat you. I will beat you. M ga-akụ gị ihe. I will beat you. M ga-akụ gị ihe. I will beat you. M ga-akụ gị ihe. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. Kwụsị ihe ahụ ị na-eme. Kwụsị ihe ahụ ị na-eme. Stop doing that. Kwụsị ihe ahụ ị na-eme. I have forgiven you. I have forgiven you. Agbagharala m gị. Agbagharala m gị. Agbagharala m gị. I have forgiven you. Agbagharala m gị. So guys, we are going to stop this video here. If you like and enjoy this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it. Go and check my other videos so that you can learn more about Igbo language. It's very easy. Don't forget to share with your family and your friends. Teach people that need to hear. Teach people that need to speak this language. And see you guys in my next video.